There we go.
So I don't really need measure. You gonna, hey, do your announcement?
Howdy, y'all. This is the 13th weekend of this project, and I got this big tree to cut.
What time is it?
It's friggin' 7:30 in the morning, and it's 71 degrees out.
Now you know what you're gonna do, right?
Yeah.
Did we talk about doing a notch in this one?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Give it a squirt. 2. 1 more. Yeah, 4. That's good. A little deeper notch. Get that in deeper.
Okay, done. Because then I have to
All right.
start this thing. I'll put a bunch of knots.
Just pump it.
Okay, that's good pump.
Couple. Yeah, right there. That's good. That's good. You're gonna flood it.
Over here.
Yeah, you might be able to take a look on the other side and see where it's at. See, why? You're doing great. Yeah. See this one here? This one just needs to come down on this side.
Okay, that's what I figured.
So you can come over here and look at it, or you can take a chance at it from over the other side, not being able to see it. Give it some squirts when this is cold. You'll save yourself pulls. No, other way. All right. Yeah, rotate up. There you go. You needed to bring the back end, the engine up higher because it was taking longer.
Show this.
All right, pull it. Yeah, good.
That's my freaking
All right,
perfect
good.
notch.
Yes, you got a perfect notch. And hopefully, when
Last time I did one, it was a waste of time. So
all right.
I won't be surprised with this.
I think it's a good safety measure. Yeah, stop.
Alright, yep, it's on.
Alright, so I guess, I don't know if we have all the leverage we need, but you're gonna have to be over there to collect the saw, or
yeah.
you want to stand on this? I don't have enough. Hold on.
Yeah, it's not enough.
Yeah, I don't have enough motion. I don't have enough in the lever. Hold on. So I'm trying to think of what to do. Let me see. Yeah, I'm looking for the right size. I think I got it over.
So put a log under this post and just push it up a little bit more.
Ready?
It fell down a bit, yeah. There we go. Got it stuck. And now we can let this shit just break.
Hold on.
It's too big.
I don't know. Well, that's pretty much it, I think. Nope. That's too tight stick. Alright, so this back on. And
Yeah, it's locked. Somehow it got locked.
speaking of locked, might be able to get this in there. Here. There. Probably get the rest of it.
With the saw?
Yeah. See, I'm holding the gap open.
Yeah, okay, can you sit on it? Alright.
Watch out from behind you. That
Yeah.
You might even want to stand. Can you knock that post down?
I don't know.
All right. All right.
Yeah, we're good.
Yes.
We got it done.
Okay.
So now we're gonna chop this and
All right. Hold on.
it's gotta come off the fence because I don't want any more freaking pivoting.
You don't want any what?
I don't want any more freaking that gap shit. I want this off the fence.
Oh.
I want it flat on the ground.
Well. How strong are you? Do you want me to help?
I got it.
Here, hold on.
Try pulling it towards you.
Oh no, hold on. I pushed all that, rotated it up. So here, hold the camera.
Really? I can't do this?
I guess you're not doing it.
Yeah, you suck. Not a fun morning. Right, here you go.
What else? What rest? You got it running or no? Just do.
I'm gonna get it running.
So what's the next step? Let's decide what's next. We don't need we don't need this stick here anymore.
Yeah, I'll move it.
What? What are you so pissed off about? I know it's early. We gotta get shit done. Well, let's go. Never mind about that. You tired? Come on, hurry up.
Don't rush me.
I gotta be back by 10 so I can get a shower and check out. I don't either. You want to roll that one out of the way, or?
That's good right there.
Okay.
Cut the rest of
All right, so you gotta give it a couple of pumps, and when it's cold in the morning, cold air, you need some fuel. Not listening. How much throttle are you using?
Full.
Whoa, wow. Okay. Yep, good job. I'll move it out of the way.
Yeah, move that one.
That does that.
That's taken care of.
Okay.
It's just wherever the solid parts are is where it goes. I have to go full throttle, and then it's like whoa, whoa, whoa.
Yeah, that's weird. I don't know. It's the air's a little bit cooler. Maybe I don't know. It doesn't make sense. Usually when it's nice and warm, right? It's nice and smooth.
Yeah.
All right. So.
What are we gonna deal with the next?
Well, where's the next bind going to be? If you start cutting there, right? So we got to put another lever under there so it can get cut. But, basically I think what we're going to end up doing is cutting it, then doing the cut and roll thing and then getting it stood up on some of these logs here. I hate cutting it that way though. You know, it's much better to get it off the ground, and if we're not getting off the ground, it's probably because we're rushing. So I'm thinking that pole, we can use the pole to maybe roll. But what about over here? Oh, what if we cut this one first, right?
Okay, yeah.
And then that would give us the ability probably to roll this one, and we can then just set it up and cut it down. I'm guessing, I don't know if we can.
I mean, this piece right here, I think we're going to have to cut up first.
Well, I'm not talking about this. I'm talking about that.
Know,
all right, then let's stick to what I'm talking about, because this I'm not talking about.
Well, that's in the way.
Well, we just move it.
How do you move it?
Roll it. It's, oh my goodness. We can cut this one. All right. I mean, if you want to spend time cutting this one now, instead of getting this set up to cut these, I mean, to me, this can wait. But we don't have all day to argue about it. This one has a lot of log, you see.
Yeah.
Here, hold this.
Try getting it flat on the ground. Okay, I guess that's good enough.
This being here should be out of the way if you cut it.
Okay, then I'll cut that.
Well, that's what you got. And so, you know that when you cut this here, over here,
yeah, I know.
it's going to start binding on you.
Oh, yeah.
So let's see if we can get something set up underneath it.
Okay.
Give it a couple of pumps. And if it starts to bind, don't keep going. All right, that's good. Good! You're gonna end up flooding it, too many. Now notch it.
Okay. Notch it?
Yeah, like you did before. Now that it's binding on you, not cut a notch down to where the bottom of your current cut is, and then see that. Then try to cut from the bottom, from underneath the log up.
Okay.
Damn bugs. Bees, whatever.
Notch on the top?
Yeah, notch on the top, right? Because as the thing sags, it's gonna, whatever. Hate it, love it, just fucking do it. Yeah, it is. It's falling. Did it cut? All right, good. It's almost there. You can try to cut that notch out, or I can come over there and try to help you rip it off. Or you could start up your saw and take another, get that notch out of there. I don't know what you want to do, but oh, come down here.
Yeah.
And use those as a lever. See if you could twist it.
Yeah, I figured.
No, yeah. Can you, all right. Yeah, it looks almost like. There you go. Yeah, you had a good lift. There you go. All right. Now, you see, now you can move the saw.
Yeah.
And then I'll go get this lever again, and we'll lever it up and take that piece of wood out from underneath it and let it roll over on that side, and hopefully it'll lift this up, maybe. Okay. But at least it'll give us a better ability to, all right. All right, so I'm taking this. Well, that's good. If you can come over here.
Okay, I'll move the log.
Yeah, if you can come over here. Let me get that out.
Okay. Coming over.
All right, maybe you lift.
Yeah.
And I'll try to get this out of here. Yeah, just lift up on that. Go to the end as far as you can.
Okay.
All right, let it go. Okay.
Well, that didn't do anything.
What? It got me the ability to get this out. It did something.
Yeah, a little bit.
Let me know.
Okay, a little bit. I recognize a little bit.
It did exactly what I needed it to do. Everything. All right. So what can this do? It's starting to lift it, see?
Yeah.
Not sure if it's better to rotate it over here. Let's see. Where'd my stump go? Oh, okay.
Is he gonna sit on it? Hmm?
something's gonna break.
Yeah, that damn post is gonna break.
What
Oh,
just broke? My pole?
I think, yeah, it's snapping from the inside.
Alright, well, one thing, I think at least you can cut that and it won't bind. I've got,
Okay, good. I'll,
right?
yeah.
Let me roll this in some more. Okay,
Alright.
get your saw.
Okay. Damn it. Alright. I guess you get.
Alright.
Just try it.
At least we're keeping some weight off it. Nick! 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 You can't hear for shit.
Twist it at the end like we did before.
Alright, well then get over there and twist.
Yeah, good.
Man. All I wanted to do was raise it up and you could have cut it. But okay, good. That works too. Yeah, I think so. I didn't get you. Sorry.
That's
You
alright.
man. Here.
Jeez. Yeah, good. Now we're at the trunk. Damn thing. I got a huge tree branch cut into pieces. So I guess I could get cutting on that. You think we should use that to keep it off the dirt, or?
That's a good idea. I'm just trying to see if I can pull this out a little. Alright, well, that's
Yeah.
kind of a start.
Yeah, we're good. Here, take the camera.
Here, let me get your... Didn't you want this?
Yeah, all right, grab it. Very tired.
What time is it?
Boomer time, 8:42.
So, alright. So I'm making really good time because we need to leave here about 9:30.
Yeah.
Alright.
All right.
Stay out of the sun. Are we gonna lift it or not? I'm gonna need 2 minutes. Ready? Oh yeah. Right?
Yeah.
Way back. Roll it further, yeah. It's heavy. Roll.
Yeah, I know. I'm rolling it.
You.
Yeah, I know. I'm fucking
Alright,
rolling. Asshole.
Fuck you. Alright. Alright. Maybe I can pull it this time. Probably not. It's pretty heavy.
Freaking logs.
And that's gonna happen over there.
There we go.
Oh, don't you fucking dare do that bullshit.
There. Good to go.
Alright, a couple more, I guess.
Yeah, we're gonna get this whole thing where we can lift it all and move it when we want.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yay!
Piece of shit.
No, you didn't do your maintenance. You kept going with a loose chain.
It finally gave up.
No, it just fell off the track.
Now I gotta put it back together.
Yep. So what do we do now?
Well, we work on the chain.
Okay.
Caught that on video.
There you go. Can you take it? Thank you very much.
How's this poor chainsaw doing? It's been injured.
Right.
Yeah, we rode the friggin' chainsaw until the chain came off.
It's kind of falling out of there. Well, that sucks. I kind of have a doubt of these teeth at this point, but it hit some kind of metal there. I don't know if
The
it's
hell?
bent or if that's just the way it is.
I think that bent.
You think it bent?
Yeah, I've never seen that like that.
Oh shit.
They put some stupid.
All right. Well.
Really, this thing's freaking broken. We're gonna have to get pliers and fucking pull that shit back.
Okay. Well, forced break time.
Yeah. All right, we're getting there. We're almost.
Yeah.
Yeah, so here's our damage assessment. This right here, I could probably throw in a picture. This actually is supposed to be straight up, but since the chain or whatever hit it and messed it up, you know, we might even have damage to the chain. This is a new chain that we just put on.
Yeah, it feels like the chain's bent. Let's take it off and have a look. Full of ants. These things get tangled like this, and it's like, what the hell? There. Oh,
Looks fine.
Straight. Ouch, something's hot. Okay. Yeah, the clutch is hot. And it's warped too, look at that.
Yeah, thing's been warped and it still works. So been warped since we got it.
Well, yeah, since we first opened it up.
Yeah.
Trying to get these teeth in there. So, you're gonna go in. Good, you're in. How about you? Go in. Okay. These teeth, just for some reason, they don't like getting in there. It's like right here, I think maybe this one is where some of the damage is. It's maybe a hidden damage on the chain. Can you put, yeah. Just hold the saw from going this way.
Okay.
Yeah, see there's something. Alright, so how come? It seems like something is stuck in here. See that is jammed in there. Maybe it's the way I'm holding it. Yeah, right in here. This tooth in this area is like the bar might be damaged now because I can't really slide that tooth in.
Yeah. That's what I was thinking. It was probably damaged.
Alright, so it's going through there. This just might be dirt in it too. And instead of cleaning it, I'm being lazy and just trying to assess it. And then that here fly. Man, you see this? Flies. We're not dead yet. Get out of here. Alright. Okay, alright, so the chain is on. And you said that, look at, see our teeth, see that? The teeth came into that. They still feel sharp. I don't know what hit it, but something grabbed that. So this bends right here?
Yeah. Supposed to be straight up.
Alright. Like what?
Like, it's all friggin' crooked. It's supposed to be, this is supposed to be twisted back like that.
Do you have a picture of it?
Yeah, I'll show you. So, thank God there was a screw. Someone had enough brains to put a screw in to take this out. But this is actually supposed to be, so take a flat piece of metal and bend it 90 degrees and then put it in there. But that is like bent at like a ridiculous, it's weird. It's kind of like a 90 and then it goes over to the left and it's just really messed up. I don't know, maybe they sell some more of those and that's why they put a screw in there so you can take it off. It's supposed to be some kind of chain guard, but it obviously failed and actually almost destroyed the chain.
Alright, well let's run without it for now.
Yeah, I would like to do that too, because I mean I don't get the point.
We'll see about fixing it.
Yeah, we'll fix it later.
And so, going forward, right? What are you gonna do with your chain?
Tighten it.
You're gonna pay attention to it and tighten it occasionally. after some, was this locked? Of course, my glasses are all dirty. Dirty and I can't see shit. There's all kinds of crap in there. Okay. Field repair.
Yeah. So he's going to try to with the chainsaw. As usual.
Yep.
Now, y'all might notice that it's a little bit different, and we have a new bar and chain. That is because the last clip that you saw was actually kind of catastrophic damage to the chainsaw, and it messed up the bar and the chain, as well as the chain guard metal piece, whatever the hell you want to call it. But we were running out of options at the Tractor Supply, and apparently it turns out that the chain that we had was stamped 72, so we thought it was a 72 link chain for a 20-inch chainsaw, but it turned out to be a 70 link chain instead. So the only chain there that was a 70 link 20-inch came with a bar. And so we weren't really sure about the bar, and we were able to fit it on there, and the only concern at this point is whether it's going to be able to get oil. And I mean, this thing's doing its typical shit where it's cold, so it's going to be a bitch to start, but we'll get it running and see how it goes, see if it will get oil. But yeah. And of course the brand, on the bar is not a sponsor. The brand of the chainsaw is not a sponsor, but it's just what we have. We have a Poland Pro PR 5020. They're probably pretty common right now because that's what's being sold in stores. We only got this a few months ago. And the bar is a County Line bar, which I believe that brand is actually a Tractor Supply brand because I can't find it anywhere else. There's no actual website for County Line products. They also sell bar oil and all kinds of other stuff. So, yeah.
Get some underneath there.
Okay. All right. So anyway, what I learned at Tractor Supply is that on these chainsaws they already have the chain specifications. So obviously 20-inch, 70 drive length, or I guess if you have an 18-inch bar, then it's a 66 drive length. Yep. So if you ever get a chainsaw, always look at that, and you'll know exactly what you need. The other issue is that the package for this bar and chain did not specify Poland Pro PR 5020. It did specify Poland Pro, but there was all kinds of other Poland Pro numbers on there, and it wasn't 5020. And that might just be because they haven't actually updated the model numbers on that package, because this might be a new model. 5020 could be a 2020 model number, and that could have been a 2019 print, just for example. So yeah, that's all cleared on chainsaw mess, but there's obviously some issues with the manufacturers, but got all that taken care of. Now it's on to getting the rest of this done, and actually be extra careful with your chainsaw next time, because sometimes shit that you think is simple might actually turn into, you know, losing everything. You know, we almost, you know, without that bar and chain, we probably wouldn't be continuing this today. You know, we probably have nothing to do other than buy another chainsaw, which sucks, but thank God that didn't happen. Yep. Now it's on getting all this cleaned up and getting that out of the way and getting this area cleared. And what sucks is, of course, we go through all that hell, and now it's probably like 90 degrees out right now. In the morning it was nice. But we had to get back to the hotel anyway.
Did I put the black wire back on?
Sorry, you did.